Do you ever wonder how to solve this Sudoku within a seconds? With Python or basically with any programming language, if you understand the algorithm of Sudoku properly, you can do it. Okay, and I really thankful to this guy Remy 2257 who made this algorithm public. Okay, so you can just clone this algorithm and you can solve any Sudoku no matter how difficult that is within a second. Okay, so let's just quickly clone this algorithm. So I'll just quickly copy this particular link and go into the folder. Here I'll just open the git bash and let's just write git clone and that particular link. Okay, press enter, it will clone that algorithm. Remember one thing, you should have git obviously, and then you should also install Python with pip. Okay, Python 3 mainly. Okay, Python 3 with pip. You can just google that thing, how to install that thing. It's really easy. You can just go into the Python website, Python 3 download. Okay, just click on this download Python, then download for your operating system, and yeah, that's it. Then we need to do some stuffs in the terminal. Okay, so I guess yeah, you can see the clone was successful, and let's close this one, and you can see we have this folder, right? And in this folder we have these files. Okay, so I'll basically perform this solving algorithm in this particular image. Okay, I found it in Google. Just search for Sudoku questions and you will get this kind of images. Also you can use videos. Okay, so you can basically use anything. I'll just quickly copy and move it to this particular folder. So now we have this particular folder, right? And it has these files, and this is basically the main file, Sudoku solver main.py. If you want to solve everything, you just need to open this Python file and it will solve that particular Sudoku. Okay, but let's go into the documentation, and you can see we need some modules. Okay, so yeah, you can see we need NumPy, OpenCV, Keras, and TensorFlow. All right, so let's just quickly install those things. I guess we already have that, but let's just find out how to install these kind of things. Okay, so you just need to open that particular folder, and here shift plus right click to open the PowerShell. Okay, or you can use CMD and then move the path to this particular folder. Similarly, if you are using Linux or Mac, just open your terminal. That's it. Okay, so I'll just open my PowerShell over here, and here you have to install these files. Okay, first one is NumPy. So you just need to write pip install NumPy. That's it. Press enter, it will just install the NumPy. You can see it's saying that requirement is already satisfied. That means NumPy is already present in my device. But in case if you have some older version of these particular modules, you can just write pip install -- upgrade NumPy. Okay, just press enter, it will just upgrade to the latest one. All right, well, it is saying that NumPy has the latest version 1.19, but I have 1.18, but TensorFlow will not support 1.19 because we need TensorFlow also. So 1.18.5 is perfect for me right now. Okay, and similarly you also need to install OpenCV Keras. So just write pip install Keras. Okay, and it will just install Keras. Okay, then pip install TensorFlow. Okay, you can see it's already satisfied. That means it's already installed on my device. All right, and for OpenCV, let me just quickly search for that, pip install OpenCV, and I guess the thing is, yeah, you have to write pip install OpenCV -Python. Okay, just copy it in the terminal, just paste that thing, pip install OpenCV Python. Okay, and press enter, it will just install OpenCV also. Okay, and yeah, that's it. That's all 4 things you need to run this particular Sudoku algorithm. Okay, so let's just close this terminal. Okay, not close this terminal, just clear it out. All right, and let's just open this particular folder. We have this folder, and we have this particular sudoku.png, right? So which looks something like this. So these are the blank section where it will solve with this particular algorithm. All right, so you can also use some videos where you can open some books with Sudoku problems, and it will solve those things within a second. Okay, so to run this particular Python file, you just need to write, you can see over here, Python3, then the main Python file name, then the path of your video or image file. All right, and then you also need to make a path for the model. Okay, so let's just open this Python file, and the model is basically this one. Inside the model folder we have this particular model file, so this is the model. Okay, so you have to make ensure about this thing also. So let's just write over here, let's just copy it from here. Okay, so I'll just quickly copy it, paste it over here, and for path of the photo I'll just write the photo name, that is sudoku.png. okay, since I am already inside the folder I don't need to write any path, so sudoku.png, which is the name of this particular image file. Okay, and then you have to choose this model. Okay, so for model you have to write -mp, then the path of your model. Okay, so I'll just write -mp and then the path, that is, let me just quickly check that out. Yeah, this is the model folder, so I'll just write model and then / and then the file name is mymodel.h5, so I'll just write my model.h5. okay, now if I press enter, nothing happened. That is because of I don't have Python 3. okay, so yeah, I have Python 3.8, but it is saved, it is the default one in my device. Okay, so since I don't have Python 2 or any other Python versions, so I can just write Python only. Okay, so I don't need to write Python 3 to run this particular Python file, because I have only one version of Python. Okay, and now if I run it, so you can see it opened this particular solved Sudoku. You can see this was the default one. Where is that? This was the default one. This is that particular image, and then this is the solved one. Okay, and it shows this where it put what value. Okay, so in this particular position you can see it put 2 6, then yeah, now you can see it perfectly. Okay, so it can solve a difficult Sudoku problems within a seconds. Okay, so you just need to go into this particular GitHub profile of this guy Remy2257 and just clone this all the files. Okay, then you can install these 4 modules, and yeah, that's it. Now you can solve any Sudoku within a seconds.